Hello, welcome to this class where we are, we want to first start with an installation of the Bible. So the Bible which I'm going to install, I don't know how you pronounce it, but here is this is how it's pronounced. It means it's a sword, it's a Greek sword, but there's a Bible because I'm going to be teaching the Bible, teaching lessons in the Bible using the computer and what other things come with this computer. So, first of all, for you to be able to follow, you need to install the operating system, which is Linux in my case. So, I'm using Ubuntu. So, for you to know what type of operating system you have, let's type release. So release. I think here we have to do it like that. Then enter. There we are. So here it shows I'm using Ubuntu. I'm using 18.045 LTS, which is long-term support. It's called Bionic Beaver. So those are the details there. So that's the operating system I'm using here. So let's clear the screen. So to install the program, what we'll do is we'll do apt cache because we want to know whether we can be able to install this. So that's the name of the program, install. So we have several programs of this, but I think the main one we'll be interested in is this one. So we can be able to install that. So we'll do apt install, then the name of the program we want to install. So here I just put Y for yes, then place enter to continue. So it's installing. As you can see, there's the progress. It's almost finished. So yeah, that is finished. There we are. So here I will do clear. Now let's call this program. Then I'll just do enter here. So as you can see from the screen here, we have got the welcome tab. So there is some instructions here. So I've done the local install here. So you have got the module source add, remove or add a local new folder and give it that name. Or for installation from the network, you can choose the crosswire. In either case, modules install update, select the Bibles you of your preferences, then click install. So we are going to follow these instructions. We are going to go into the modules. So as you can see from here, we have got modules there. We are going to go install update and select the Bible, then click install. So I'll click OK here, then OK on there. Then I'll just bring it in the middle here. So we'll highlight install update. Then we are going to click this add install. Then let's refresh. So it's going to the crosswire, and then you see it has brought the modules. So we want a biblical text, so we'll click that. Then we'll select what kind of Bible we want. So we want English. So the one we want, we are going to install King's version. So here you can see there's a small information. So we are installing King James version of 1769. So we'll click that. Then here we'll click install. Then yes. So there you go, it's installing. So we are just waiting for it to almost finish. It's finished. Now it's not only the Bible we can install, we can also install the commentaries. So we'll choose commentary English. So you've got about. So it will list down what's about on there. Then you've got Barnes New Testament. So if we go down, we have got lots of commentary. But I think if we either Schofield, because I hear Schofield is also very good, so we can do commentary of Schofield. Then you have got also John Wesley, which is the notes. So we'll do install, yes. So we are installing a commentary to go with the Bible. The other things which you can also be able to install is the dictionary. So we might need the dictionary. So go into the dictionary, we get English. Let's get either Wesley or Webster. So we have got Webster 1806. So let's choose that one because it's a little bit odd. Then the 1913, then we click yes, we are installing that. So all this we are doing is for free, and Ubuntu, it seems to install very easily. So here I'll do close. So it says Bible modules all install, click OK. So now as you can see here, I've got the biblical text, which is the King James Version. Then Bible commentary, I've got the Schofield, so it will come on here. Then dictionary English, I've got the Webster. So we use the Webster as the dictionary. The Schofield here as our commentary. So I'll just enlarge it here. Then we can just enlarging the screens here so that we can see it much better. So this is our Bible here. So in the next program, we'll start looking at Isaiah, which is the main topic we want. So is Isaiah, if I can remember correctly, is 30. So we have got the whole Isaiah, I think is 38 here. So let's go to, yeah, so we are starting from Isaiah 34 verse 8. So 34, so click here, 34, then we'll look verse 8. It looks odd. Let's go back again. It's 34, 34, where are we? 34, 8. So that's 34. Then yes, so we are correct. So this is the verse we are starting with in study, which leads, for it is the day of the Lord's vengeance and the year of recompense for the controversy of Zion. So that's the first text we are going into and try to read about it. Um, so let's see if we can be able, before we finish, just to see how. So we have got the Webster dictionary there, but I can't see from the commentary here. So Schofield. Um, we need to find out how to switch on the commentary here, even though here it has mentioned that is the Schofield. Yes, so let's see, open in a new window. It seems either we need to go and see why the commentary is not coming out. So that's what I had in mind for now. So this is the first, just setting up the your electronic Bible. So I'll see you in the next chapter as we go now to explore more about Isaiah 34 verse 8. So I thank you for viewing.